Chapter 14. Volume and Nets. We will learn volume, volume of a cuboid, surface areas and nets. Volume gives an idea of how much bulky an object is. Surface area gives the idea of area of surfaces of an object. Volume. Volume is the space enclosed in a container. The container can be empty or full. Its volume remains the same. In the above activity, we use small cubes, dice, of 1 centimeter side to fill up the boxes. Then, by counting the number of such cubes, we could determine the volume of the given boxes. The cube used for measurement are of 1 cubic unit each. 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. In the above activity, the box could contain 24 cubes. Therefore, volume of box is equal to 24 cubic units. There are 3 different types of cubes that can be used depending on the size of the volume to be measured. 1 millimeter. Volume is equal to 1 cubic millimeter. Volume is equal to 1 cubic millimeter. 1 centimeter. Volume is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 meter. Volume is equal to 1 cubic meter. It is obvious that the 1 cubic millimeter cube is used to measure very small volumes. Sugar cubes have an approximate volume of 1 cubic millimeter. A dice generally has a volume of 1 cubic centimeter. The volume of large room can be measured using a cube of volume 1 cubic meter. Volume of a cuboid. It is not always possible to calculate the volume of an object by the above method. The volume of a cuboid can be calculated if its length, breadth and height are known. In the above method, we calculated the number of cubes in one layer and then multiplied it by the number of layers. Number of cubes in a layer is equal to number of columns multiplied by the number of rows is equal to length into breadth. In the above picture, number of cubes in one layer is equal to 3 cubes into 2 cubes is equal to 6. Height is equal to 4 cubes. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, or 3 into 2 into 4 is equal to 24 cubic centimeter. Example, find the volume of a cuboid having length is equal to 8 centimeter, breadth is equal to 4 centimeter and height is equal to 2 centimeter. Solution. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. V is equal to L into B into H. V is equal to 8 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter cube. Surface areas and nets. The surface area of a solid figure is the sum of the area of all its faces. It is equal to the total area of net of the cuboid. Net is the name given to the open shapes of solid figures. Let us calculate the surface area of a cube of side units. To calculate the surface area of a solid shape, draw the net of the shape. Calculate the area of each face. Add up the area of all the faces. A unit, cube, a unit, net of cube. There are altogether 11 possible nets for a cube. A rectangular prism or cuboid is formed by folding a net as shown. 2 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter. A cube has 6 faces and all 6 faces are identical. Therefore, the net is made up of 6 identical squares. The area of one square face is equal to A into A. Therefore, the area of 6 faces is equal to 6 into A into A. The following is the net of a cuboid. A square-based pyramid has 2 types: net of a triangular-based pyramid, net of a cone, net of a cylinder. Curved surface, base, top, curved surface, base.